Heart disease research over the last decades we know has made a big difference in reducing the burden of heart disease globally. But research takes a very long time before there is a direct or even indirect benefit to patients. And so organizations like the Heart Foundation and their supporters are really key in ensuring that this research continues.
In 2021, I was very fortunate to receive a Vanguard grant from the Heart Foundation that could be used to improve blood pressure control and reverse acute brain and kidney injury in sepsis. Trialing this promising therapy in preclinical studies at the Florey, which showed us profound benefits towards improving blood pressure control and having multi-organ benefits. Being able to see the preclinical studies having a direct impact on patients' lives was very gratifying.
Our project is looking at whether MRI of the heart can help to diagnose rheumatic fever. We don't yet have a single test for rheumatic fever, and this is part of why it can be difficult to diagnose. Since we received this funding, I'm now able to visit our project sites more frequently. We've been able to employ research assistants or nurses at each site, and also the Heart Foundation funding has been really important in allowing us to make these resources in response to feedback from local First Nation stakeholders.
My research involves analysing human genetic data to better understand heart disease biology. And with that information, we can then identify new ways of treating and preventing disease. A lot of our research has really been focused on men and people of European ancestry. By focusing our research on women and diverse communities, we can tailor the treatment and prevention programs to a diverse group of individuals.
I can honestly say that my career would not be here without the funding of the Heart Foundation and their generous donors.
It allows projects like mine to be conducted even at all, but most importantly, it allows research to be done the right way.
Sometimes to make great discoveries, it takes long periods of time. In my case, it took me over 10 years to come up with this breakthrough therapy. The generosity of the donors of the Heart Foundation really does matter, and it saves lives.
From the bottom of my heart, I'd like to thank the supporters of the Heart Foundation for funding researchers like me and funding research that could potentially save lives.
My hope for the future of heart health in Australia is that by continuous funding of the best and brightest cardiovascular disease researchers in Australia, we can find new ways to detect, manage and treat patients with heart disease.
My hope is that through this research, we not just improve our ability to prevent and treat disease, but really reduce the inequity in cardiovascular health in Australia.
By pushing boundaries and exploring new treatments, we can save lives.
And it is a continued support of the Heart Foundation and its donors that ensures potentially life-saving research doesn't come to a standstill.